Yeah, man. So, James,
How's it
how
going?
are you, man?
I'm doing all right.
How was your first day?
Well, it's not, first day back and working with you guys, but not my first day.
You're right. With all these big heavy stones, man. Oh my
Yeah, no,
God.
these are probably the heaviest stones I've ever worked with. So.
You get used to it.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay guys, so we're gonna start this section here. As you see here, I finished my weeping plastic. I have my duct tape nicely secure. Everything is ready to go. Let's start it. Okay, so this one right here, so we're gonna make a cut right in the, so that we can anchor our brick ties right in the center here. Get a brick tie. We want to bend it just like so. Now we're gonna anchor it, set it to the back. We also know that our measurement that we're working with is 3 3/4. 3 3/4. So we need to come out a bit with the bottom. Perfect. That's where you need to be. All we need to know now, we need to know whether or not if it's twist or not. Lower level this way, make sure she's nice and plump. Make sure she's plump. So we're gonna cut here. This one. Same procedure, we're just gonna bend our brick tie just like so. Just gotta beat it down. Anchor him inside. Gonna get a nail. Just like so. All we gotta do is just put them in place now. slowly go down with them. You go too much. We have our line to make sure that it's not twist. Go level across. Perfect. Level. Now we just got in. Now we need to plumb it. Beautiful. Let's check this way. Now we gotta put them across like so. Nice. So that's where she needs to be. All we gotta do now is just put this in place and secure him right onto the wall. This way we know she's not going anywhere. Nice. Lovely. It's a windy day, guys, so you might be hearing a lot of wind in the video. Sorry about that. Not much I can do.
I don't know. I'm used to working with Nick. He's all like, like super fussy about a lot of things, right?
No, I'm not like that, man. I'm totally different guy you're working with. I'm not fussy about nothing.
Yeah.
Nah, man. For
Yeah,
me, just fun, you know? Fun, running joke.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen them done like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's do it. Yeah, guys, so make sure we plumb it nicely, secure it. Now we're ready to lay stone in the middle. Just like that. Okay, guys, so just see here we line up. This is how we line up our brick ties here. We anchor our brick ties right into our precast. See, sometimes you can't really put your precast right up to your garage molding or your door molding, because as you see, this one is off right now, and my precast is 100% plumb, as you see there. So you just have to plumb your stuff, and they have to figure out their stuff after later on, I guess. But I'm not gonna buck my precast right up to it and then you look crooked. Okay, so we have those two set up. Now we're just gonna start to lay stone in the middle there now. Trying to go right down to the bottom of this existing one that was already here. This one that we already laid. We're trying to work with a 1/2 inch joint for here, or maybe a 3/8. That way afterwards, when you finish, everything look, when I do a joint, everything look nice and tight. So now we need to take our measurement right off from this one here. That's 4 inches. Guys, I like to have a lot of pattern in my stonework. So I like to break up the joint so that it looks real nice. Very important for you to try and make it look like this. No, put it at ground, Chris, because I'm not ready for it, you know. I just want to have it. Okay, let's put some brick ties, guys. As you already know, brick ties is what you're going to use to support the wall. So you want to use as much as possible.
Like going right around the corner, I guess. Alright. Okay.
Spots are inside. As you see, I'm trying to get here to line up. Very important. Make sure you get everything nice and lined up. Here we're just gonna put here we're just gonna put our tape right here, the existing one, 9 inches. A little bit of jointing. Let it sit here. In order to get a nice looking stone, you have to find a mason that's very passionate about their job. Because, for instance, this small mirror that I'm doing here, a lot of masons wouldn't take the time out to try to cut it up and so that the pattern looks as nice as they can get it, you know? It takes a lot of time to cut it up and stuff. We're just going to take a measurement from one stone to the next. This looks like it's 29 inches. That's good. We're going to run our line. Be right in line, okay? That's where she is. Take it off a little bit. Just slowly take it off. It's the same 6 and 1/8. Just want to make sure that we have a jip underneath the bottom here. Want to make sure that our jip line is not covered underneath, just in case later on. Mix it, you better have than the other one though. I did that job.
You wanted to know what the length of the sills were at the back.
Are you ready for the sill?
They're 4'4" windows. We wanted to know what the length was for
Okay,
cutting
so-
bricks for, I guess, around the sills or to the sides. I guess.
No, but we gotta install the sill. Once you reach up to the sill, we gotta install it.
I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna take the drawing.
No, you take it up.
Yeah, I'll take the drawing.